Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate and get on with your day. If there is a specific issue for which you would like to see a video, please leave a comment. In an earlier video, we have explained how to configure fingerprint scanning in Linux Mint. A link is in the video description below for your convenience. Our viewer asked for instructions how to disable fingerprint authentication altogether and how to configure Mint in such a way that the user will log in automatically without asking for a password. If you have considered the risks and this is something you would like to do, here is how to do it. If you are only interested in enabling automatic login, check the timestamps in the description to skip to the relevant portion of the video. Instead of just removing the packages for the fingerprint scanning, I would like to do some housekeeping first. Open a terminal and start with listing the stored fingerprints for the current user with the command fprintd -list and then your username. Here it is listed that I have previously enrolled my right index finger and now I would like to delete that. Delete all the fingerprints available for a specific user with the command fprintd -delete and then your username and provide the administrative password. All the fingerprints are now deleted. Now we need to inform Linux Mint that we no longer want to log in using a fingerprint going forward. Type sudo pam-auth-update. As you can see, the top option, fingerprint authentication, is currently selected. Hit the spacebar to toggle the field off and then use the tab key to navigate to the OK field and hit enter. I go back in an extra time to double check if the fingerprint authentication option is indeed no longer selected. Now the housekeeping part is done and we can remove the fprintd packages with the commands sudo apt remove lib pam-fprintd and sudo apt remove fprintd. To check if fprintd is indeed gone, for example, type the command fprintd -list and indeed it is no longer on the system. Also, because we removed the pluggable authentication module, it is now gone entirely from the PAM configuration. Now to enable automatic user login. When I boot up my system, I will be asked to provide the password for my user account. This is of course the default behavior of Linux Mint. Log into the system and open the menu structure. Click Administration, Login window, or simply type Login into the search box. Provide the administrative password when asked. The entire login screen can be customized, but for now click the Users tab. Disable Allow Manual Login and in the section Automatic Login, fill in the name of the user that you want to be logged into the system automatically when the system starts. If you want, you can also specify a delay before it logs in automatically. In that case, you will see the login screen while waiting for the timeout, and you can log in automatically at any time by clicking the Login button. Now close the window and restart the machine. From this point on, Linux Mint will no longer ask you for credentials and will log in with your user account automatically. When you are about to occasionally perform a task that requires privileges, the system will still ask for your administrative password. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!